So here we're going to insert our resistor. Like so. Dropped it. Get it right in there. There we go. Now let's take a look at the back. Now this here are the ends of the resistor. I bent them so they could stay in place. And this is the part where we start soldering in. So what we want to do, apply some flux. And get a little bit in there. Get a little bit in there. Alright, and then grab our soldering bit and our solder. Then we're just going to town. Make sure that you touch the tip onto the metal part. And then you just start giving it little clips of glop. Now you don't want to do too much, but if you do, you can use a soldering air pump. If you want to go look that up. Those are usually the best for doing these types of things. Okay, and that one's done. Let's do the other. Yep, there we go. There we go. That's very good. Does that look good? That looks good, right? Let's put a little more just in case. Yeah, that's nice. Alright. So that'll do it. And that's how you solder. It's pretty simple. As long as you don't scratch the surface of this PCB, you're good. Now these ends, usually I just pull them up like so. And then I give them the good old cut. Yeah, that one's gonna need a little bit more trimming. Whoop. Yeah, and that's how I solder. So yeah, thank you for joining me on this soldering guide. Have fun and stay safe.